Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get some really cute and bouncy curls. The hair will be linked down in the description box below. And as you can see, I did tie this unit down with my Gotta Be glue and a hair scarf. So yeah, that's the result of that. I did go ahead and kind of lightly, not even really ombre, I guess sort of, kind of ombre this hair with literally just bleach. I didn't tone it or anything. So I'm going to be doing a middle part, just some curls. I literally cut this hair straight across to be shoulder length. And then, yeah, this is pretty much the result that I got. And so I'm literally just going to be throwing some curls in this. I'm taking my foundation, of course, the skin color, and I'm just going to go down the middle part here just to kind of brighten that up. Just because I know for sure I don't have on a wig cap. My hair is literally pulled back in a sleek little bun up under the wig. So, yeah. Then I'm going to go over the top of that with a little bit of mascara for the areas that I kind of went crazy in. And, yeah, we're just going to start curling it. So here I'm just kind of sectioning off into two different sections just to make it a little bit easier to work with. And then I'm going to be using my Babyliss flat iron, my Baby Bliss flat iron to just go ahead and throw some random curls. I kind of don't like curling with this iron because it's so square, so it can kind of leave those dents. So you really have to be kind of slick with it. If I were you, I would just probably use like a, I guess this is titanium plates, maybe a ceramic flat iron. It tends to be a lot more like round for the actual plates, but anyway, disregard. So yeah, so I'm just gonna throw those curls in this hair, and as of right now the hair is really full. So I received a full of 3 bundles and a frontal. I literally fit every single piece of hair into this. So when it was longer, it did seem a little bit, obviously it was thick, but not this thick. And then when I cut it into that bob, like I said, I literally just put it in a ponytail behind my, I guess the nape of my neck, cut straight across, and this is what I got. Is extremely full, which I am freaking loving. Do y'all see this curls? And like I said, I did not tone the hair. I literally just ran some bleach through it, which is why you kind of get these random spots of just kind of like, all right, we got color here, we got color there. Nothing too perfect. Literally nothing perfect at all. This is beginner friendly, and I'm just throwing the curls in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to go for like a natural look, something like if I was to curl my natural hair just really full. And this is kind of what we got. So I'll go ahead and just kind of allow you guys to kind of watch this part of the video, and I will be back to finish off. That's just one side there. As you can see, really bouncy and full. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the hair was really soft to touch. When I actually applied the color to it, to be honest, it did kind of change the texture just a little bit. Nothing that was kind of like uncontrollable, of course. I mean, it wasn't shedding or tangling or anything, but I imagine I will need to deep condition this hair. That could completely be my fault because I did kind of lift this hair with 40 volume developer just to kind of literally do a pass through something really quick. So that was probably my fault, but as you can see, the hair curls like no freaking other. Like, it's so pretty and bouncy and full, and I purposely wanted it to be kind of this bronzy look. So there that is. And then yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna take my argan oil cream of nature hairspray. Y'all know I literally use it in every video. Put this over the hair, just kind of roughly run it through. Not that I really needed it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take some mousse just to kind of even out that top portion and lay everything as flat as possible. And then I'll go over that with like a brush just to kind of brush that through the hair. And then here I'm just kind of like finger combing the hair just to get these curls to be kind of random and kind of loose, kind of looking like it's unbothered a little bit. So as you can see, it looks really natural, and I'm just randomly going back in to kind of correct any of the curls that I felt like needed to kind of pop a little more, which really was not much. So I really like this, y'all. I feel like Goldilocks. Like, this is really cute. I feel like I should definitely try to curl up my natural hair like this, but maybe using like maybe flexi rods or something like that. So let me know if y'all want to see that, because I would definitely like to do like a heatless I guess curl tutorial or something like that, maybe for natural hair purposes. Let me know how you feel about it. But yeah, so I'm just kind of still going through this, as you can see, curling forward and backward to definitely kind of heighten up that volume there. And then once I got it to how I liked it, this was just kind of like that finished product. Nice, pretty, bouncy curls, guys. So I definitely hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was really quick, just something to kind of send you along your day. If you want to kind of freshen up your wig, you know, it's getting old, just chop it up. That's what I do. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video.